Okay, so guys, I'm going to be making my stretch mark cream, which is ordered. Okay, so I got like 500 ml ordered, which is 2. Okay, so one container, this container is 250 ml. Okay, so I have here my cocoa butter, my shea butter, my glycerin, perfume, a lot more here, and my tea tree oil. So this is the snake oil, and this works very good for stretch marks and scars. So I'm going to be mixing everything up. I think I'm forgetting one oil, which I'll add to it. Okay, I did not bring it here, but I'll bring it later. I'll add that later. So yeah, let me just start mixing this quickly, because I'll be delivering this tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning. This has to go. All right, so let's just make it quickly. All right. Okay, so I've already taken some of my cocoa butter here. So I'm going to scoop a little more. And I'm going to go in for my shea butter. This is from the north. This is original shea butter from the north. I have somewhere I go get it for, or I go buy it from. Okay. All right. So here we are. So bear in mind, we are making 500 ml of stretch mark cream. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to do a double boiler method here. If you don't know what is double boiler, I'm going to just boil water, let it boil very hard one pa, and place this in it. Okay, all right, but for the meantime, I'm going to add my snake oil to it. So I don't really want to prolong this video. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing everything quickly. I have a video on how to make stretch mark cream on this channel. I'll link it up there or at the end of the video. So if you want to know how to make it yourself, then you go check it out for bit. But for the meantime, I'm going to do a double boiler method. Okay, and I don't think I'll be talking again in this vlog. Please do what, like and share with friends and family. And yeah, let's do this. Back to the channel once again. And yeah, I've melted my oils, and I did not allow it to melt at all. Like, I did not allow it to melt more, or I don't know how to put it, but as you can see, I did not allow it to melt. So I'm just going to right now I'm going to put it in the freezer to let it solid a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm done with the other, and yeah, I'll be expecting yours too. If you're suffering from stretch marks, this is really good for it. And yeah, I do not sell it this, only this. I do sell it with a scrub. I'm done, and this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it almost looks like the container. It's about to rain. Drizzling. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this is how, I don't know if you can see, let me just, so this is how it looks, very creamy and nice on the skin, and it will help clear your stretch marks. Okay, so patronize me guys. So this is how I'm going to, okay, so yeah, this is 250 ml. 250 ml. It's very cheap for 50 Ghana cedis. Yeah, for 50 Ghana cedis. I'm going to check in the dollar rate, and I'll put it on the screen. Okay, very affordable. This is going to last you for almost 2 months, and from that 2 months, right, you are going to see changes in on your stretch marks, if only you are going to be consistent. Okay, so with natural skincare or natural remedies, all you have to do is to be consistent on whatever product you are using. Okay, this contains natural stuff, you know, shea butter, cocoa butter, even the perfume I put in this cream is a fruit perfume. Okay, so yeah, let me just put the sticker on it. And the way the weather is, I don't know if I can deliver this tomorrow morning. So guys, this is it. This is the packaging of it. Yeah, this is it. This is how it's. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to this stage. If you do love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment and share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.